Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes. Let's begin. First, you cannot redeem Roblox gift cards on the Roblox app on iOS devices. Instead, you must use a web browser such as Safari or Chrome on a computer, cell phone, or tablet. Once you open the browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account. After logging in, you will see the home page. To redeem your gift card, click the hamburger menu icon at the top left. This icon looks like three horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Gift Cards. Next, click on the Redeem button at the top right of the gift cards page. This will open a field where you can enter your Roblox gift card code. Type in your code carefully and then press the Redeem button below it. Once you do this, the value of the gift card will be applied as credit to your Roblox account. For example, you might see a balance of $10 added to your account. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.